How to market your real estate listing to sell it fast, especially in a recession.
Before we buy. So sometimes it's in title already and we're pretty confident, but we just want to confirm with the drone before closing. There are things that could be out there that you're not aware of.
Right.
Garbage is one thing, even like water, like you never know. There could be a wetlands that isn't mapped on a map radar anywhere. And there's standing water, there's new standing water or something like that.
You need to have all the information on your guys' sales page, on your listings. You want to have as much information on that as possible, or else you're just going to get more and more calls.
Getting it in front of as many eyes as possible. Not every single person who sees your posting is going to be interested in buying land. That's fine. But getting on those three things is minimum, Dan. There's a lot of other places you can post, but you're going to get a ton of eyes there if you post in flat rate MLS, which is going to get you on the MLS, land.com, and Facebook. Those are where we sell 95% of our properties.